Have you noticed people on the internet talking about vibe coding like it's some magical shortcut to becoming a tech genius overnight? It sounds cool, right? Just open your laptop, let the music play, ask AI to write half the code, and somehow you build the next billion-dollar startup. But here's the twist. You can't just vibe your way into good software. And that's what we're diving into today because this vibe coding mind virus is spreading fast in 2025. And if you don't understand it the right way, it might ruin your projects before they even start. So, what even is vibe coding? The term was first thrown around by a creator named Andre from the Ixopi community, and it basically means coding with feelings instead of structure, loosening up, trusting your intuition and AI, not stressing about perfect syntax or fully understanding every piece of code. You just go with the flow. Then influencers picked it up, and suddenly TikTok, Twitter, and YouTube were flooded with people saying they built apps in 2 hours using AI and vibes only. One popular example is this creator named Peter Levelvels, who made a flight simulator game, posted clever progress clips on social media, blew up, and made money off it. Now, more and more people think that's the new way to code. Don't think too much, let the AI do it. Even the CEO of Anthropic said that within 12 months, almost all code will be written by AI. And that sounds exciting, maybe even freeing, but it also means tons of unfinished, low-quality AI projects are bouncing around the internet. So this video isn't about hating vibe coding, it's about showing where it fails, where it works, and how to do it right. Before we go further, let's clear this up. Coding and programming are not the same thing. Most people think they are, but nope. Coding is just typing instructions a computer can understand. It's like translating logic into a different language. If I tell you write a function that adds two numbers and you type it out perfectly, cool, you're coding. And yeah, some people are super fast at that, memorizing syntax and finishing problems in seconds. But here's the catch. AI can already do a lot of that. Tools like ChatGPT or Claude can write 10 different versions of the same function in one try. So just being fast at writing code isn't as special as it used to be. Programming, on the other hand, is bigger. It's problem solving. It's designing how things work, fixing what's broken, deleting unnecessary code, making smart decisions. The best programmers don't show off by writing more. They show off by trimming things down until the code is clean and simple. They understand what every piece does. And if you skip that understanding and only vibe, well, that's where things start to crash. Let me tell you a real story that explains exactly why this matters. There was this indie developer, pretty young, super motivated, who used AI tools to build a SaaS app. They didn't totally understand every line of the code, but the app worked, people loved it, and real paying customers signed up. Sounds like a dream, right? Until hackers found a hole in the system. The app had weak security. People learned how to bypass subscriptions, spam the API, and mess with the database. The whole system got overloaded, data got corrupted, and users lost trust. In just a few weeks, the project died. The developer lost their job, and all because they vibed through the code without really knowing how it worked. That's the dark side of vibe coding. If you don't understand the foundations, AI can't save you. It just speeds up mistakes. But don't get me wrong, vibe coding isn't all bad. When done right, it's powerful. Some people even believe that soon billion-dollar companies will be built from laptops by creators who mix AI tools with creativity and good instincts. And honestly, that might be true. There are already platforms like Zero and Bolt that help you build apps just by describing what you want. AI-powered coding tools like Cursor and Windsurf help write entire features, fix bugs, and refactor messy code automatically. If you combine those with a smart brain and solid basics, you can move faster than ever before. You just need some rules. So how do you vibe code without blowing things up? Rule number 1, pick a simple, popular tech stack. Don't get fancy using mysterious languages or frameworks that no one's heard of. Use things like React, Express, Tailwind, Redux, Dino, or even Svelte, Vue, or Nuxt if you like them. Why? Because AI learns from the internet, and the internet has way more answers for common tools. If you ask AI to help with a rare framework, it'll probably hallucinate and give you broken code. But with mainstream tools, you'll get accurate, tested solutions. Rule number 2, learn Git like your life depends on it. Version control, think of it like autosave for developers, but smarter. When you use AI, sometimes it deletes stuff, overwrites your files, or gives you code that breaks everything. If you don't know Git, you'll panic. But if you do, you just roll back to the last working version. There are tools like GitHub Desktop or even Claude Code that helps with Git commands. Learn the basics. Commit, push, pull, revert. It's boring until you need it, and then it's your best friend. Rule number 3, stop thinking like a code typist and start thinking like a product manager for your AI. Instead of asking AI, write this code, tell it the whole story, what the feature does, who it's for, how it should look, why it matters. Break your problem into small steps. Give it your current files, screenshots, docs, even UI sketches if you have them. The more details you give, the less vibey and more accurate the output becomes. You're not just coding, you're directing the AI like a movie director giving instructions to actors. But even with all that, here's the hard truth: you can't skip experience. AI won't magically make you a great programmer. You still need to understand logic, security, databases, performance. That indie developer, they had a cool idea and AI helped bring it to life, but without the fundamentals, the whole thing collapsed. So vibe coding works best when it's built on real knowledge. It's like playing jazz. You can only improvise when you know the notes. Quick pause for something useful. This video is sponsored by Grammarly. And no, it's not just for essays. Grammarly helps you write clearer emails to clients, better documentation, and even smoother code reviews. It fixes grammar, suggests better tone, and works inside apps like Gmail, Google Docs, even GitHub. If you're building apps, talking to users, or working with a team, trust me, writing clearly is a superpower. So yeah, check it out. So to wrap this up, vibe coding is not the enemy. It's a tool. Let AI help you, but don't let it think for you. Choose a simple tech stack, master Git, and learn to communicate clearly with AI like a product manager instead of a code monkey. Keep your foundation strong, stay curious, and don't be afraid to delete bad code. You don't need to kill the vibe, you just need to control it. All right, if this helped you see coding in a new way, drop a like, share it with your friends, and I'll see you in the next one. Keep building, stay sharp, and don't just vibe, create with purpose.